Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. My girls who rock the sew-ins know what it's all about. I mean, I wear the sew-ins and a lot of my clients wear sew-ins and they're just awesome. So let me just start with that. Now this video is not going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm not going to walk you through everything I'm doing. You could obviously see what's going on here. I have taken down this client's sew-in and I have began to detangle the sew-in. And I wanted to start with that because I wanted to talk about what really a protective style and length retention is all about. So there are many people that wear sew-ins and other protective styles that aren't even intending to be protecting their natural hair. They just like the look, they like the maintenance, and it works well for them. So there are a lot of girlies out there that are rocking protective styles that are looking fabulous that haven't even thought about the benefits, right? But me being super into hair care and loving the way that I make my clients feel about their natural hair, taking the best care of it, I mean, I have definitely put it out there that this is one of the best protective styling methods because it allows for the hair to be put away for a lengthy period of time. And with the proper maintenance and care, a sew-in can allow lots of length retention to happen. But what I want to say first and foremost is that although protective styles are awesome and they do allow for length retention, they don't grow your hair. The things that you are doing internally and externally are fostering hair growth and length retention. So I just want to put that out there because there are a lot of people out there that think that the protective style is growing the hair or that the style that is protective is not allowing for hair to grow. Everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair requires different care, but protective styles are just that. They protect the hair while the hair is growing, while you're taking good care of yourself, and while you're also taking good care of your hair. And I just want to put that out there because I have talked to client after client time and time again that are completely flabbergasted by the way my clients' hair has grown when they've seen photos, videos, pictures, and they have been struggling. And one of the first things I like to tell people is you gotta be consistent. You have to make sure that you are working with a stylist that is into the care of your hair, and you have to do your part. Now, one of my rules when I'm using a sew-in service as a protective style, or when I'm even caring for my client's hair and they are dealing with length retention issues or chemically damaged hair or heat damaged hair, one of my rules is the hair belongs to me. I don't want any of my clients trying to process chemicals on their hair at home. I don't want any of my clients trying to remove their sew-ins at home because they cannot see, and it's just best if you are allowing your stylist to take care of your hair without interference. That's that. You also have to stay on top of your maintenance services. When you're using a sew-in as a protective style, it's a long-term protective styling service. So your hair still needs some TLC even while it's under the sew-in. Your scalp needs TLC. These are things that are going to aid in hair growth and they're going to aid in length retention. Patience is also key. You got to trust the process. And for my stylists that are out there really into hair care, y'all know how it is. There's nothing worse than you really working with a client to make sure that they can achieve their hair goals and they're not allowing you to give them the guidance. So you got to be really willing to listen to your stylist, trust the process, and be patient because hair growth and length retention can take some time. So there are a few different things that are going to be a part of your hair growth journey when you're wanting to retain length. And protective styling is only one piece of the puzzle. You've got to do the maintenance. You've got to be consistent. You really have to be communicating with your stylist what your hair goals are and what your lifestyle is like so they can give you the best types of protective styles for your lifestyle. It just happens to be that I love the sew-in, which is probably why I attract lots of sew-in clients for protective styling. But I really, really want to emphasize that length retention is a process. Growing hair out from damage is a process. And patience and consistency, along with protective styling, is key. And we got to make sure that while we're in our protective style and we're wanting to grow our hair and retain our length, that we have to take care of the hair that is not necessarily protected. So if we have leave out, we're going to have to make sure that we are not putting heat on it on a regular basis or wearing a sew-in method that doesn't require heat to blend. Maybe curly hair or hair that's similar to your texture, and some styling that doesn't require a whole lot of heat. And if you do need heat, we're going to use a heat protectant because we don't want to be growing out all of our beautiful hair that's covered and that's protected, and our leave out is getting damaged, because that's going to defeat the whole entire purpose. So to sum it all up, yes, sew-ins are great protective styles for length retention, one of my faves. But protective styles do not grow hair. Hair grows because of how we take care of it and how we're taking care of ourselves. And we have to do those things that are going to make sure that we have optimum hair growth for our length retention. If you have anything else that you want to know about retaining length, let me know in the comments down below, because I am so looking forward to creating more videos about this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.